Linking to YouTube. This clip is going to go through the process of creating a link within your course on Moodle to a particular video on YouTube. Now, many teachers find that there's such a wealth of information and videos available on YouTube, and they are of use to students to access in their own time and their own place. So we're going to go through that process of doing this. Adding a link to YouTube is exactly the same as adding a link to any web page, so it's a similar process. And also this process also assists you in adding a link to particular resources or materials you have in your files folder, and I'll show you how to look at that very quickly. Okay, so what do you need to do to add a link to YouTube or to a particular web page? Well, as you see, we have our normal test page open here. You need to go to whichever block as well you want to put this link. Is depending on you. It may be on a particular theme, it may be in blocks 1 or block 5 or block 6. It depends on the teacher. For the purpose of this clip, I'm just going to add it into the first block here. What you need to do, regardless of the block, is you need to go to the Add a Resource and select that drop down, and then you will see quite simply a link to a file or website. You select that, and the compulsory part here of this is you have to give it a title, so I would just call it Whittle College on YouTube. And it's nice to put in a summary whenever you get a chance, and it's advisable, you know. Presentation of Whittle HE Division. It's quite good to put a summary in so that people, when they actually see the title of the course on Moodle, and they also have a summary of it, then they know what to expect, and they may not necessarily need to go in there if the summary is not really what they're looking for. So summaries are very important. Okay, we scroll down here and we have then link to file or website. You see the first option we have here is choose or upload a file. Now if we select this, what this does is that this goes into your files folder of that particular course. And as you can see here, we are within the files folder and we have the various materials available. Now depending on which one you want to link, in this case we're not really interested in any of these at the moment because we're looking at linking to YouTube, but killing two birds with one stone. If you select, for example, this one and then just scroll over and select the word choose, that will immediately be embedded into your location, and therefore you have a link to that particular file in your files folder. Now obviously this is not what we want to do, but as I show you, it's similar to setting up a link to a web page. So I'll get rid of that. We're interested now in the second link, search for a web page. If you're not sure what the URL is or what the address is, then obviously you click on this and find the page itself. Now I've already opened up the page and found where I want to go in YouTube, and here it is. So here we are, we're at Whittle College Higher Education video, and I've already got it opened up. So what I need to do now is find the address I need to embed into that location. And I go down here to the word share this video, I select that, and here on the bottom we have the address that we need to put in that location bar we have on Moodle. In this case the address is not very long, but should the address be very long, you have the option of selecting short URL, which makes it even shorter, and I'll just select that for now. So I'll right click and I'll copy that, and then we go back into our course and we place that in here into the location area, and there we have our link to that particular video on Moodle. And then we save and return to the course, and right here, as you can see, we have Whittle College on YouTube, and if we select that, it should link to, and there we go, we have our video, promoting video. Okay, there's a little bit of marketing for the college. So that is how you link to a particular video on YouTube. But also it's a way of linking to any particular web page you want to include on your course. And also we went through very quickly how you can link to your files or your materials within your files folders.